My name's Kara, and I'm a resident of Lake Forest. I have had other experiences with contractors, and they've been pleasant enough. But I would say that this particular company was consistently timely and more professional. And the thing that I really appreciated was the fact that every single day they cleaned up after themselves. Every day they were cleaning and putting the area back how they found it. Farid was the project manager and a great manager on every level. The knowledge that he had, the suggestions that he had were very welcome. Everyone wants their project done yesterday. And there are things that come up, and it does change the time frame sometimes. If it happened to extend the time frame a little bit, they found a way to shorten the time frame on other issues. So in the end, it all balanced out. The workmanship was excellent. And they were all very professional and personable. The experience from beginning to end was far better than I expected. This went way beyond what I had expected from a company. I wouldn't hesitate to recommend Treeium or Farid, either one. In my opinion, you can't go wrong with the Treeium company.